How to log in ChatGPT with Microsoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to log in ChatGPT with Microsoft account. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open ChatGPT on your system. Like you can directly open application or you can open in web version. Alright, after you open ChatGPT, you'll get this type of interface. From your at the top right corner, tap on sign up. From this section, tap on login. Alright, tap on continue. From this section, tap on continue with Microsoft account. And from your provide your Microsoft account like of your email or phone number. After you provide it, tap on next. From the section, enter your password for Microsoft account. After you provide it, tap on next. Alright, by doing that process, you can easily log into your ChatGPT account by using your Microsoft account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.